everyone, welcome to Bus Review. So I'm Angel Benish and today we'll be seeing what Bus is all about, what this cloud-based app can do to you, what are the benefits you can reap out of it. So I'll be also showing you the members area of Bus and watch the video till the end to know what are the exclusive bonuses that are going to be added to this purchase. I'll be also listing both the exclusive bonuses as well as the vendor bonuses that are going to be added to this purchase. So let's jump right into the review of Bus.
Okay, Bus is a one-click app taps into 9 different traffic sources at once for free buyer traffic to any link within minutes. So getting traffic has never been this easy. So all you have to do is one click the app and it taps into 9 different traffic sources at once. So this generates free buyers traffic to any link within minutes. So this runs on complete autopilot. You just have to tap into it and then it works. So this is exactly a thing that is built for the beginners with no extra expenses required, and it works in any niche. So you can just start getting the traffic within minutes. So video training included for free, and you get 180 day money back guarantee, and it's world class support team. So you get a support team, and it's a world class support team, and so all you have to do is just a 3-step process. You just have to enter. Enter, activate, and watch. Enter the link you want traffic sent to, and activate up to 8 different traffic sources. Watch as you get flooded with targeted free traffic and sales. So I'll be giving the link for the sales page below the video, so you can just click and go through this sales page completely, so you will get a better idea of what exactly this bus is all about. So now let's just go and check the members area of bus. So here I am just logged in the members area, and this is how it's going to look like. So you have here compose. So here is where you have to compose and keep your data that has to be uploaded ready. So you just all you have to do is just make one single thing that will be ready, and this works like an automatic thing, which is like you just have to compose, keep it ready, and whenever you want, just one tap, and it's just getting uploaded in all your social media platforms in a single click. So here you will see the reports of the one that you have uploaded. So first you have to link all your accounts. So here's where you will see the total number of accounts, and here you will see the total number of posts, and total success post and total failed post. Even in case if the post fails to get uploaded, you will also notified for that. So you also get post template. So there are ready-made templates here. So you don't have to worry about anything. I mean, here editor 1, editor 2, editor 3, editor 4. So you have ready-made templates, so you can also check on that. And one second, it's just getting loaded. Yeah, and again you have graphics, so you can just check that. And then drafts, so you can also save drafts into it. Then automations bot, then bulk scheme schedule. So all you have to do is you just have to create the content, keep it ready, and you can schedule it, and it will be uploaded. Even when you're sleeping, it gets automatically uploaded into your social platforms. So you don't have to be awake to send, or to post all your promos or anything in your social media. All you have to do is just schedule it, keep it ready. Even when you're on a holiday, you don't have to actually work. You don't have to even open your laptops. So all you have to do is schedule and keep it, and when the right time clicks, it automatically sends, it automatically uploads it in the social platforms. And again, you have RSS feeds, then captions, file manager, groups manager, and manage team. So hope now you would have got a complete thing of I'm sorry, a complete picture of what Buzz is all about. So all you have to do is just keep the content ready, and you also have your graphics template, so which are already inbuilt, so you can also use that to keep your content ready. All you have to do is just schedule it and keep it, so whenever you have scheduled it, automatically uploads in your social platforms. So this is really an awesome software, right? So yeah, that's a great software, and I think you must purchase this software. So this is like this makes your work really easy, a hassle-free thing. They have did all the heavy lifting work here, and all you have to do is just create the content, and the things are ready to be uploaded. Yes. And now I'll just show you what are the bonuses you're getting with this bus. Okay, these are the semi-exclusive bonuses. So you are getting reseller rights up to 100 ready-made niche blogs, and 100 ready-made blogs packed with all content you will need to attract free search engine traffic, backlinks, visitors, and buyers. Each blog comes wrapped inside a beautiful, high converting blog design and designed to work perfect harmony with WP $3. So, this is bonus number one, and bonus number two will be affiliate system for product owners. So, this is a powerful and yet simple to use affiliate management system. If you want affiliates to sell your own products, bring you traffic or even leads, so you can then reward them with a commission. More importantly, you can use this to track intelligently to keep your affiliates happy and also your bottom line. So how does this work? It is a pretty simple. When a user visits your website through an affiliate URL, for example, this is the URL, the responsible affiliate sending or referring the traffic to you will receive a commission based on your systems. So yeah, this is an awesome bonus, I would say. And bonus number three is Pin Marketer. This lets you automate pin interest tasks that drives you sales and engagement from a traffic source that's barely untapped. And bonus number four is Affiliate Marketing Thrive, and it's worth to $37. So affiliate marketing is the most effective way to make money online by promoting products created and marketed by other vendors. So keeping this in mind, here's an exacting package that includes 6 patch video course that helps to become successful affiliate and stand out from competition. You will also learn an importance of building a list and how to find products to promote to maximize benefits. So that's bonus number four, and bonus number five is email profits formula. So here I'm providing this excellent package that enables you to make the best use of email marketing and reach out to widely scattered masses without investing a fortune. So get in active mode and use this bonus to intensify your growth prospects and become an enviable success story. And bonus number six is lead generation authority gold upgrade, and it's worth $47. So getting qualified leads that are sales ready is one of the topmost concerns for a majority of marketers today. If this is overlooked, then it can be quite fatal for your growth prospects. So you get this lead generation authority gold upgrade. And bonus number seven is Facebook marketing made easy. So you can just check into it, and it's worth $67. And then WP Video Focus, that's bonus number eight. And WP Video Focus is it's a plugin actually, and it allows you to clip your video and serves as a widget to any corner on your page. And bonus number nine is WP Facebook Quiz Creator, and with WP Facebook Quiz Creator, you can easily create fun, entertaining Facebook quizzes with just a few clicks of your mouse. So this will keep your visitors a chance to challenge themselves by solving quizzes that will keep them entertained. So this is the way they'll spend more time in your site. Yeah, you can keep them in your site for a long time by using this WP Facebook Quiz Creator. And again, you get bonus number 10, that is WP email timer plus license. So WP Email Timer Plus is a plugin that allows you to create beautiful countdown timers even inside your emails. So you can create timer wherever you want, and that's a plugin that comes as a bonus number 10. And I'll be also showing you the exclusive bonuses. Okay, here are some of the other bonuses that comes with Buzz. So you can also have a look at it. And smash my campaigns, so you get access to this. And bonus number two is Google AdWords, so you can access journal's AdWords case study. And bonus number three is affiliate marketing, behind the scenes of 5-figure affiliate marketing campaign, so you get access to that. And bonus number four is Java script commission board, that's by John Armstrong. And you will get access to this software. This is an awesome software that comes with this, and this has been launched I mean, I think last month. So this is an awesome software too. So you'll be also getting access to the software with a purchase. So on the whole, you're getting a complete package of 14 bonuses with this. So please go for the software. And the software is again an awesome software. It's not some crap software. So you can go for the software, and you also get these bonuses added to your purchase. You can just check. I mean, you don't have to email the receipt or do something. You just get these bonuses directly added to your members area, so you don't have to worry about that. And thanks for watching. Go for the software. It's an awesome software. And please click the link below to purchase the software. And I'll also show to view the sales page, all you have to do is just click here to secure or copy your bonuses. So once you click this, you will be directed to the sales page, so where you get more information in case if you have some doubts. So I can just show you, um, just a second. So once you click that, automatically it redirects to the sales page, so where you can see here. So here comes the sales page. You can have a look at the sales page in case if you have doubts still more about the software. So a complete uh, review is given here. So just go and have a look at the sales page. And then if you're interested to buy, you can just you also get a $5 discount with this. You just have to use this code clickbank P5. So you can just use this code and then get a $5 discount. So the front end is $17. So once you go for this $5 discount, automatically it becomes $12, which again a very cheap price. So you can also have a look at the funnel inside the sales page. So if you want, I can also explain you about the funnels. Yeah, you have it in the sales page, so you can just have a look at it. I don't want to bore you anymore, so please go ahead and purchase the software. And thanks for watching. uh, Bye.